Hey, do you guys want to win this mystery surprise box?
Of course we do.
How?
I'll go hide this mystery box outside, and first one to finish this puzzle will get to look for the mystery surprise first.
What's so special about the mystery box?
It has a lot of special surprises that will make you happy.
Awesome. But where's the box?
The
Can
box-
I see it?
The box is right here. I'm gonna hide it while you guys do the challenge. Here you go. And the first one to finish it will get to go look for it.
This thing. Let me put that in the middle, and we got some pieces. Wait, we have a lot of pieces here. Whoever matches this first gets to look for the box. 3, 2, 1, go! This one goes here. This one. Hey!
Let's see, where's a good place to hide this? Let's see, in here? Nope. Ugh. Maybe I should try to hide this in the playhouse. Let's see, where should we put it? On this chair? No, that's too easy. What about in the car? No. Here.
Red. And green. Oh no! I win, I matched it up. Now I'm gonna look for the box.
Did any of you guys win yet?
I won!
Okay, well you can go look for it then.
Yay!
Justin, how come you're still not finished and Casey finished?
I don't know. Cause she stole all my pieces.
I don't think she'll hide it in the open area. Maybe she'll hide it inside this house. Playhouse. I'm gonna check under here.
Oh, well take some of her pieces since she's done now. You messed your whole thing up.
Oh, did? Dang, I did it. I think I did.
Okay, we'll go look for it now.
Where can the box be? I don't. Here's a car. I can use it to look for the box.
Oh no, maybe? I'm gonna use a bike. I'm gonna follow you so I find it. No, I'm gonna go first because I wanna find it first. Go, move, go. I'm gonna go. I'm going over here. Oh, I forgot. I can't go under there. Is it somewhere here?
Oh, I see it.
Huh? I got it! Yay! I'm so excited to find out what's the surprise. Let's go see it.
This isn't as easy as it looks.
Chloe found the box!
Great!
I'm excited. What's in it?
It's a surprise, you'll have to see.
You're not pranking us, right?
Nope, not pranking you.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
My hand.
Wait, there's nothing in here.
Huh? I put a bunch of games and good stuff in here.
There's nothing. You pranked us. You said you didn't.
I put a lot of good stuff in there that you guys would like.
It doesn't look like good stuff. It looks like air.
There's a paper in it though.
Yeah.
It reads, Fun TV Kids, where's your speedboat?
Dare to go look for it? Game Master.
That's impossible, Howdy. Switch out the box so fast.
Wait. Does that mean our boat's gone?
Possibly the Game Master could have stole our boat or he's just messing with us.
What should we do then?
We should go down to the boat dock to find out. And if it's missing, we should go look for it.
We might get wet at the dock, so let's go change. Also, we might need some protection, so let's go past.
Okay.
Here's the boat dock. Let's see if our speedboat is down there. All right, this is where it usually parks. Where is it though?
Huh? It's gone.
Did Game Master take it?
I think he took it.
No way, this is our boat. How are we gonna find it?
How'd he take it? Does he have the key?
I'm not sure. Let's go look for our boat on the other boat then.
Okay.
We're gonna go look for our speedboat with this pontoon. Let's get it. Before we go look for the Game Master, let's go put on our life jackets for safety.
I have a Nerf gun so I can shoot the Game Master if I need to.
Okay, we're on our way to look for the Game Master.
Is that the Game Master boat?
No, that's the speedboat.
Oh.
We're going 10 miles per hour.
We have to go faster than that. Whoa! Speed up, Chloe. Hurry. We're getting close to that boat. Hurry, Chloe.
Wait a minute, that's not our boat. Wait, there's ducks there. seem like he's in this area, let's turn around.
Bobby, you're a good driver. Keep it up. Left, left, left. Ah, what? One. Is that our boat? No,
We've been driving here for a while. We can't find our boat. So we're just gonna hope Game Master shows up.
Chloe, why'd you stop here?
Because I think we should take a little break.
If we're taking a break, can we go play in the water?
I guess so.
Yay!
Let's hope the Game Master will drive by later. Let's go with this one.
We're going? Is that our boat over there?
No, our speedboat is red. That's blue. Who's gonna be the first one to jump in?
Justin.
Justin.
What? Yeah, you wanted to cannonball.
Oh, fine.
Unless you have a better trick to jump in the water.
You guys be the judge. Ready? Justin, let's see your trick. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! That was a
Hey,
cool
it's not
trick.
that cold. Make it so it's hot.
Subscribe to my
Did you hear that? She was subscribed to my TV.
So it's
Okay, that's not too funny, guys.
okay. Wait,
Put TV coins.
what did he say?
Did you hear that? Come on, guys, let's do some challenges with this mat.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. I'm first.
It looks like a tie. Maybe.
The next challenge, let's see who can last and stand win. 3, 2, 1, go. Guys, I have something to say. If I should give Justin waves, click the like button.
Hey, I won.
Okay, I'll be the judge. This time we'll see who can stand long, Casey or Justin. 3, 2, 1, stand. It looks like, let's see, Casey's wobbling, but Justin. Let's have some fun. They're both wobbling now. They're both still up. I'm feeling a little bit hungry. Let's go get some hot dogs.
I think it's Justin because it's right here. I can't!
Stand.
I have to flip it. This thing is so heavy. I'll be in the... Justin, why are you trying to pull us on the mat? Because I want to. I'm going to make some.
Let's see if Justin can balance on this.
Who's going to hold the pedal? Okay, ready?
Go. Stop pushing it.
Oh, I can't. He's going away with it. Ooh, I know the perfect idea how we fall. No flipping. That's how you fall. Oh, he fell.
Let's go around this hot dog. Can you hold the push up while I get on?
Around. We're doing good. Justin.
We're paddling to nowhere land. Hey, you want me to give you guys some motivation?
That's why me to flip it.
You can do it. You can do
Sing
it.
the This Pretty Planet.
This pretty planet was spinning.
It's a nice day to play out here in the water. Do you guys like water? If you do, click the like button. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. And go look up on TV Toys because I want my.
Like and subscribe to Smarmy supporters on Casey. Wait, we're far away from the boat. Did Game Master push?
No, we pushed it.
Oh, well, I pushed Casey. Water spot. Oh, wait. There's an easier way for that.
Oh no, can we make it back to the air before it gets started? Oh, it's rocking.
Did Game Master push me?
No, it was me.
Haha.
don't think the game master is gonna be driving by. We're gonna have to find a different one.